Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks. We're doing 2020 opening day for Tim. Good luck. Thank you as always.
Really? You start the day off with opening day?
Opening day. What's better than opening day?
I'll tell you what's not better than opening day. Big league.
Maybe I should open a pack and make sure we know where everything is. So, all the inserts, rookies. You want the rookies, though. National Baseball Trading Card Day. That's an insert. Okay, I got a feel for it.
Is it 36 packs?
36 packs of
36
Tops.
packs of greatness.
Tops goodness. Bichette.
That's $1 pack. Yeah, it's...
Jackie Robinson.
We'll be packing them out at $1.
Hey, it's got mascot cards, parallel cards.
You can get an autograph.
TC Bear.
Hey, they put one-on-ones in it.
Yeah. Hey, the parallels out of this stuff actually sell. No one believes it, but you watch.
Short print image variations this year. I don't know if they've done that in the past. The mascot autographs.
Mascot autographs sell.
Yep.
I kid you not.
I know they do.
No one believes it, but
I was going to buy the Texas Rangers one for my friend, and then the cheapest I could find it was like $40. I was like, yeah, I'm not going to do that.
Hey, Greg, how you doing today?
They have mascot autograph relics this year.
Oh, that is new.
Autograph diamond relic.
Pete Alonso insert.
Man, they put a lot of stuff in it this year. And mascot relic cards. Nice. I'm talking myself into it.
Hey, if we didn't have to collate it, it would actually be profitable to open a case. Yeah, Tim, I think the last card is but we'll see. But I will check, yes. I'm doing it a pack at a time. No. Clevenger was not an image variation. I was... Yeah, Tim, I'll also go back and double check for rookies. Now that's nice. Sprung has Sprung. Babe Ruth, Lou Gehrig. That's, I mean, come on, to a kid, that's a pretty nice card. Out of $1 pack, I mean. Alvarez rookie. Billy the Marlin.
Don't they do like a parallel version too?
Other years they've done a parallel. Aquino rookie.
Look at the wrapper again real quick. Opening day edition. I think that's like the foil or something.
Cody Bellinger. Hey, what's up, Tom? Aredado Chapman. There's the foil version.
Like the Alvarez and stuff like that, the Bichette and all those in the
Horner,
pretty decent.
Yamamoto rookie, Blue Jay mascot, see if Chapman.
What's the knee thing right now?
It is not numbered.
Major or
Nah.
just spring training?
Yeah, he's not doing major Stanton
Yeah. No, I just picked up an action variation
of Alvarez.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah, nice card. I got it in a lot. It wasn't really what I was after in the lot. I was like, oh, well, that's like a $50 card. I'll take it.
Gavin Lux rookie. Blooper for the Braves.
Is the opening day, is that considered hobby?
Yes. They do make blasters. I told you we could get blasters, but you didn't want them, so.
No, that is correct. I do not want them. No offense to the blasters, but
John Lester foil. Mr. Met. I'm sorry, Mrs. Met. My apologies. It's not Mr. Met, it's Mrs. Met.
Better apologize to the whole Mets family.
Trent Grisham. Juan Soto. Arenado foil. It's nice. It's a blue. The side is different, and the foil is a different color. Well, we got a couple cases, so 20. No, the Contreras wasn't short printed, sorry. Solak rookie.
If you give me the blast from the past in this $5 box, I just had a Luke Herring go to I was like, uh-oh. I picked that up. It's been in there for a minute.
that's a new box.
Really?
Toro.
Yeah, that's. I'm
You had that in your, you have it in your PC and you kicked it out?
Yeah, I'm constantly adding stuff to those boxes. I mean, it might have been in there from the past. It might. I have no idea.
Sure. That's funny. There was another college player, Andy Rottens. Remember he was at Syracuse?
No.
No? He was like the great white hope at Syracuse for a little while.
Mark McGwire, Spring is Sprung. That's a young McGwire. Possibly pre-chemical.
What you want the box price at?
32. Baez rookie. All rise with the Judge Court. Eloy Jimenez. Oh, sorry. I'll go through and check for the rookies. So, sorry, no Luis card there, Tim. When I have a break, I'll double check on the SPs too. All right, thanks, man. Thanks for buying that. I always enjoy breaking